Make a great choice today with the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find adjustable pedals, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.